If you have a 2016 through 2020 Chevy Malibu and the light on the dash says shift to park and you're already in park, you can wiggle your shifter or pull it out, put it back in, and eventually it will show that it is in park. This is your issue. This is a shifter assembly, and I think this piece right here is the piece that fails in it. You can replace this whole assembly from GM. I think it's $160 something, or they sell a bypass pigtail. I've not tried the pigtail bypass, but I have replaced the whole shifter assembly, and that does fix the issue. At least it has on every one that I've done. This is the part number from GM. These things are easy to remove and to install. What you will need is a 10 millimeter deep well socket, a ratchet for it, a T30 star, because you'll have a T30 here and here, and that's for your shifter cable. Your shifter cable goes in like this, and bolts here and there. You'll have a 10 millimeter bolt that will run through here, this hole at the bottom. So your nut will be on this side. That's what you got to take off, is the nut. And then you'll see your grooves here and here, where this gets pushed in and locks into the lower assembly that's held in by 4 10 millimeter nuts. And that's how you remove it. If you go to remove the whole assembly, remember to remove your center console and make it a lot easier to get the whole assembly out. You have a total, I think, of 6 bolts. 2 of them are going to be 7 millimeter. They're going to be right beside the seat on each side, the passenger side and the driver's side seat. At the lower part, you'll have a push pin on each side right beside the 7 millimeter bolts. You'll have to pop out as well. And then, if you're sitting in the car, this being up towards the radio, you'll have 2 10 millimeter bolts up here you'll have to pull out. And then 2 in the back corner, lower side of the console, you'll have to remove as well. And now we'll get your console out. To remove your shifter knob from the assembly, you'll push down, twist, and then pull up, and it will pop it right up and out. But other than that, this is the most common issue to fail on them cars. To my knowledge, there's not a recall on them. So that will get your issue taken care of. There's multiple videos out there showing how to temporarily fix this issue. I recommend just replacing with a factory GM part from GM itself. That way you don't have any issues in the long run. Remember, if you like the content and this does help you out, hit that like button and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions about this repair or any other repairs, drop a comment. I'll be more than happy to assist you in any way that I can. Thank you.